chin up. Good. Good. You said your test is when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Work on that little scapula. Let that go nice and loose. Yeah, a lot of times you feel like little adhesions between your scapula and rib cage.
Yeah. Just something uncomfortable.
Big breath in, big breath out. Good. Same thing, all the way in, all the way out. Good. We're gonna clear out these upper ribs. Good. Go. Roll you. Good. Left side. Top leg. Roll you a little bit more. No bad headaches.
No. After I got the new pillows, everything's been much better at night.
Good deal. Way down here. Let it all go. One more. Your way down, chin up. Put your hands on your hips. Push it back a bit. There's one. Same thing. There you go. Just relax and bring this across your body.
When you leave Friday? Okay.
Good. This one too.
Oh my gosh, my God.
Elbows and wrists should be all done.
Yeah. How old are you? 26.
All right, any questions?
Oh.